morning. This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we will discuss about the various system of the medicine in pharmacognosy or pharmacognosy in various system of the medicine. Okay, so let's be started. So today's our study of the content, that is Unani system of the medicine and Siddha system of the medicine. In previous lecture we have discussed about the Ayurvedic and Chinese system of the medicine. Okay, so now we started with the Unani system of the medicine. So first, Unani system of the medicine is also known as the Islamic medicine, Lonhi, then Oriental medicine and Arab medicine. Okay, these all are the names of the Unani system of the medicine. Okay, so this system was oriented in Greece and has been influenced by the African, Persian and Egyptian medicine. Okay, they originated with in the Greece. Okay, and they influenced by they used by the African, Persian and Egyptian medicine of the system. Okay, and it was introduced in India by the Arabs around 10th century AD. AD, that is Anno Domini. Okay, that is the in the year of the god. Okay, AD, that is in the year of the god. God are present in this earth. The system are used. Okay, it was introduced in India by the Arabs around 10th century AD with the spread of the Islamic civilization. Okay, for the purpose of the spread Islamic civilization in India. Okay, now Unanipathy has become a part of the Indian system of the medicine, and India is one of the leading country so far as its practice in consult. Okay, Unanipathy has become part of the Indian medicine. Nowadays, this Unanipathy medicine system that part of the Indian system of the medicine. Okay, and India has the one of the India having the one of the leading country so far as its practice in concert of the Unani medicine of this system. Okay, then it is the very similar to the Ayurveda medicine system, and Hippocrates and Aristotle made a valuable contribution for this system. So Unani system of the medicine is based on the two theories, the name that is Hippocratic theory and four humors, and the Pythagorean theory of the four proximate qualities. Okay, Hippocratic theory based on the four humors and Pythagorean theory that based on the proximate qualities. Okay, it is based on the two theories, that is Hippocratic theory and Pythagorean theory. Okay, so the four humors of the fluid which exist with the body in the body are dam, that is blood. Okay, belgam, that is phlegm, then shafra, that is yellow bile or chlor. Okay, and shauda, that is black bile or melancholy. Okay, so choler, that is a cold condition, and melancholy, that is a sadness system or behavior changeable behavior condition. Okay, so this is the four humors of the Hippocratic theory. Okay, now we see these humors, four humors. So blood, phlegm, then black bile and yellowish bile. Okay, so blood condition, that is hot and wet. Then phlegm around cold condition and wet condition. Okay, wet, that is also known as the moisture like condition. Okay, then black bile, that is a cold condition and drying condition, and yellow bile, that's having the hot condition and dry condition. So these all are the four humors of the Hippocratic theory. Okay, now we see the each humor has its own temperament. Okay, each humor having that's on temperament that is behave. Okay, their nature. Okay, so blood is hot and moist quality. Okay, blood that is having the hot and moist, that is also known as the wet. Okay, then phlegm is cold and moist, then yellow bile that is hot and dry, and black bile that is cool and dry in nature. Okay, so the ideal person bears all four in equal proportion. So however, in most of the people, one or more humors predominant, giving rise a particular character. Okay, all the conditions are predominantly follow in the people's body. So the particular character is rising. Okay, so they gives the a perfect response to every situation. Okay, but some humor are incorrectly follow in their body, so they give the disease condition. Okay, so for the intention access choler produce the choleric type of the person. Okay, like coldness, they in the coldness enter in the body, so they like the short tempered, then shallow, then ambitious and vengeful. These all are the symptoms of the choler produce choleric type of the symptoms. Okay, of the person. Okay, so the four proximate quality are the state of the living human bodies, like hot, cold, dry and moist. Okay, so the four proximate quality are the states of the human living body, like hot, cold, dry and moist. Okay, so for the these four humors are perfectly follow in the body, that is the proximate quality of the state. Okay, living in the human bodies. Then they represented as the earth, air and fire. Okay, these this blood, moist, then dry and hot, that all are the non represented with the earth, water, air and fire. According to the Unani, if the four main humors and four proximate quality are in a state of the mutual equilibrium, one is considered health. Okay, healthy. So according to Unani, if the four main humors and four proximate quality are the state of the mutual equilibrium, that follows in a equilibrium position, so they consider they were human are considered in the healthy human being. Okay, if this system was influenced by Arabian physician, so they laid down seven working principles, that is Umer-e-Tabia. Okay, and included elements like organ, spirits, then temperament, life, energy, action and humors. Okay, this influence in this system, they effect on these organs or these elements of the body, that is organs, spirits, then temperament, then life, energy, action and humors. If spirit, that is the strength of the body, then temperament, that is the behavior of the body, then life, energy, organs, action and humors. Okay, so according to them, these seven principles are the responsible for the health and disease condition. Okay, according to this Unani system of the medicine, these seven principles are responsible for the health and disease condition. Okay, then Unani medicine treat the cause of the disease rather than its symptoms. Okay, Unani medicine treat as the cause of the disease rather than the symptoms. So this through history of the patient is noted, and he is subjected for pulses, stool and urine examination. Okay, patient is noted, history of the patient is noted by physician, and they perform some test of the pulses, that is the nervous system pulses, breathing pulses, then stool and then urine examination. Okay, these all are the test for the Unani system of the medicine. Okay, then this system also observed the influence of the surrounding and ecologically ecological conditions such as the air, food, drink, body, movement and response, psychic movement and response, then sleep and wakefulness, then excretion and retention on the state of this health. Okay, so this influence caused the dominance of one of the four humors in every human body. Okay, so Unani system of the medicine that believes that it is the dominance which gives a man his individually habit and complexion, his temperament. Okay, like his temperament. So in this system, the diseases are treated as the follows. That is Hutchbill, Tedbeer, that is regimental therapy. So in it is included in venesection, then diaphoresis, then diuresis, then Turkish bath, then massage, categorization, uh, uh, cauterization, then purging, then emesis and exercise. Okay, these all are the Hajbil Tadbir, that is regimental therapy of this disease treatment. Okay, then Hajbil Gija, so it dietotherapy. So in this therapy, it deals to the treat certain elements by the administration on specific diet or by regulating the quality and quantity of the food. Okay, this is the dietotherapy. And then Hasbil Dawa, that is a pharmacotherapy. So it is deals with the use of the natural occurring drugs, mostly in the herbal drugs. Okay, this is the therapy of the disease and the treatment. Okay, now we see the some drugs of the animal and minerals origin are also used in this system. So single drugs are their combination in raw forms the one preferred over compound formulation. Okay, single drug either their combination in raw materials. So they gives the they over the compound and they making the one formulation of that single drug either combination drug. Okay, then the traditional healers who practice the Unani system of the medicine, that's called the Hakim. Okay, who one practice the Unani system of the medicine, that's called the Hakim. So Hakims are not only cure the bodily disease but also act as the ethical instructor. Okay, then Unanipathy has shown remarkable result in the curing disease like arthritis, leukoderma, jaundice, bronchial asthma, then phthiriasis, then and several other acute and chronic disease where other symptoms system do not give the desirable level of the positive responses. Okay, this is the Unanipathy of the medicine or Unani system of the medicine. So the Unani system of the medicine is the secular system in character and the popular amongst these masses. Okay, masses. So this is the all about information regarding the Unani system of the medicine. So now we started with the Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, now we learn this system. Okay, Siddha system of the medicine. So Siddha system of the medicine is the one of the oldest system of the medicine in India. Okay, it is the oldest system of the India. So it's on its origin to Dravidian culture, which culture, which is of the pre-Vedic periods. Okay, pre-Vedic periods. So the Siddha system of the medicine is prevalent in the southern parts of the India like Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, where Dravidian civilization flourished. Okay, so according to tradition of the origin of the Siddha system of the medicine is attributed to the great Siddha Agastya. Okay, according to tradition, to the origin of the Siddha system of the medicine is attributed to the great Siddha Agastya. So the Tamil Nadu who are inhabit the southern peninsula and Pennsylvania of the subcontinents of the India having the impressive and venerable past. Okay, for the Siddha system of the medicine and use of the Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, and the undertook the systematic study of the nature and its elements and what they were able to grasp they had developed a highly they gave the they had the developed a highly systematized medicine which is not now known as the Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, systematic study of the nature and the elements and from what they were able to grasp, so they had developed a highly systemized medicines which is now known as the Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, it is well found on the basic principle of the nature and its elements, offer a careful and through study of the human system. Okay, so the term of the Siddha medicine achievement, that is Siddharas, that is the Tamil word, is derived from the root. Its root, that is chit, means the perfection in the life or heavenly bliss. Okay, heavenly blissed. Okay, so it generally referred to 8 kind of the supernatural power attainable to man. Okay, so this is the introduction of the Siddha system of the medicine. So the person who had achieved such a miraculous power in life were known as the Siddharas. Okay, the person they having the one achievement, that is miraculous power. Okay, so they in the life were known as the Siddharas. In the annals of the ancient Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, this Siddha system of the medicine that present in the ancient ago. Okay, so the first medicinal plant mentioned as well as found a place in ancient Tamil literature is Margosa or Neem. Okay, these two plants mention the all the found or the place and for from the ancient time of the this Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, so this has been used by the Tamils from time of the immemorial as the deterrent for smallpox and other infectious disease. Okay, used for the other infections disease such as the smallpox and other infectious disease. Okay, then now we see the principle of the Siddha system of the medicine. So the universe consists of the two essential entities, matter and energy. Okay, universe consists of the two essential entities, matter and energy. So the Siddhas called as the Shiva, that is male, and Shakti, that is female or creation. Siddha system of the medicine made up with the these two names, Siddha, that's called the Shiva and Shakti. So Shiva, that is male, and Shakti, that is female, or also called the creation. So matter cannot exist without energy inherent in it, or vice versa. Okay, so the two coexist and are inseparable. To coexist and inseparable. So this word Siddha, that's a meaning, that is Shiv and Shakti. Okay, so this is the coexist word. They don't inseparable. inseparable word. Okay, so they always calling in the with coexist word. Okay, so they are the primordial elements bhutas. The primordial elements bhutas, like bhutas consist of the five elements like moon, then near, thees, and vayu, and aksam. Okay, moon, that is solid, then fluid, near, that is fluid, then the, that is radiations, then vayu, that is gas, and aksasam, that is ether or akash. Okay, then these five elements are present in the every substance, but in a different proportion. Okay, these five elements are present in the every substance, but the proportion that is different. So the human body is made up of these five elements in different combinations. The physiological function in the body is mediated by three substances, that is dravyas. Okay, this called the dravyas. The human body is made up with these five elements and also in different combination and physiological function in the body. They are mediated with the three substance, that is dravyas. Okay, so which are made up of the five elements, which are the made up with the five elements, that is vatam, pittam, and karpam. Okay, vat, pit, and kaph. That's in Siddha system of the medicine. They called as the vatam, pittam, and karpam. In each of the every cell of the body, these three doshas coexist and function as harmoniously. Okay. Then vatam, that is it is the form of the akash and vayu. Okay, vatam, that is form of the akash and vayu. It is the control the nervous action such as the movement and sensation. Vatam word are formed with the combination of the vayu and akash. Okay, so they control the nervous system action and such as the like the movement and sensation or behave. Okay, then pitam, so it forms the and control of the metabolic activity of the body, that is the like digestion, assimilation, and warmth. Okay, then karpam, that is it is the formed of the moon and near, so they control the stability like immunity system. Okay, so when their equilibrium is upset, then disease set is present. Okay, these three doshas equilibrium is upset, then disease condition enter in your body. This indicates the disease condition is present in your body. Okay, so this is the three doshas: vatam, pitham, and karpam. Okay, then now we see the method of the treatment. So the treatment for the imbalance of the tridoshas are made up of the five elements. Five elements of the drug are made of the five elements by substituted a drug of the same constituents like guna. Okay, the same constituents that known as the guna. The equilibrium is restored. The treatment of this system of the tridosas. So imbalancement of the tridosas are made up of the five elements. Okay, vatam, pittam, and karpam, that is three doshas. So they made up with the five elements. So the drug are made up of the five elements by substituting the drug and same condition, that is gunas, constituents, that is gunas, and the equilibrium is restored. Okay, the five elements substituted the drug enter in your body and they like same constituent of their three dosas, five elements, and they enter in your body and their body having the same equilibrium respond. Okay, your body gives the equilibrium condition and restore the again and give the healthy condition of the body. Okay, then now we see the diagnosis of this system. So the diagnosis of the disease involve identifying its cause. Okay, involve identifying the diagnosis of this disease involve and identifies the causes. Okay, they identify the causes of their disease condition. First diagnosis of the disease, and they identify the causes of their disease. Then the physician generally involve the conservative factor of the checking nadi. Okay, the physician generally conservative factor of the checking nadi, that is pulses. Then dhvani, that is speech. Then tvaka, that is skin along with the tongue. Okay, then dehyam, that is body. Then malam, that is face. Then mutram, that is urine. And vihzing, that is eye color. Okay, pulse check by the factors, conversation factors of the checking, that is nadi, that is pulses. Okay, then dhvani, that is speech by the throat. Okay, speech. Then tvaka, that is skin along with the tongue. Then dehyam, that is body. Malam, that is face. Also check the body, then face, then urine and eye color also checked by the physician. And then the system has worked out the detailed procedure for the urine examination, including with the color, small density, also oil drop spreading. Okay, also oil drop spreading in the check out detail and procedure of the urine examination, including with the same color density. Okay, then now we see the treatment. So treatment based on the all the diagnostic character of the patient. Okay, based on the all the diagnostic character of the patient. So the treatment treatment takes into the account about the environment, age, sex, rashes, then habits, diet, appetite, then physical and physiological condition. Okay, treatment take into account about the environment, age, sex, then rashes and habits, diet, appetite, then physical and physiological condition. Then Vaidya has the knowledge of the herbs and its effectiveness. Okay, Vaidya give the knowledge of the herbs and their effectiveness. Then Siddha system extensively used drug of the vegetables source as well as minerals origin. Okay, use of the metals like gold, silver, and sulfur, zinc, copper, and mica. Metals like gold, silver, sulfur, zinc, copper, and mica. N are also are only used in a Siddha system of the medicine. Okay, it's based on the vegetable source and also mineral source and also metal base. Metals like the gold, silver, sulfur, zinc, copper, and mica. Mica, these all are the metals are used in the only in the Siddha system of the medicine. Okay. Now we see the preparation of the Siddha system of the medicine. So the preparation names, that is Bhashma, that is calcinated metals and minerals. Okay. Then Churna, then Khashya, decoction, then Lehya, then Dhrita and Tailya. Okay. Then Chuna, that is metallic preparation which become the alkaline. Then Katu, that is preparation that are impervious of the water and phlegm. Okay, these all are the preparation of the Siddha system of the medicine. That is Bhashma, that is calcinated metal and minerals. Bhashma in Gujarati, that's called the rag. Okay, Bhashma, Churna, Khashya, then decoction, that's called the decoction. Then Lehya, then Dhrita, that is ghee preparation. Then Tailya, that is oil preparation, oil based. Then Chunas, that is metallic preparation which become the alkaline preparation. Okay, then Katu, that is preparation that impervious to be water and flamed. Okay, so now we will complete this our session of this traditional medicine of the medicine. So now system of the medicine. So today we have to learn about the Unani system of the medicine and Siddha system of the medicine. So thank you to all.